Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Tesla Model X. Begin by charging the battery and connecting to Wi-Fi so software updates complete. Create your Tesla account, add vehicle VIN, and pair your phone key for seamless access. Configure driver profiles, steering, and mirror positions, then set autopilot preferences and charging schedules. Finish by reviewing safety settings and walk around to verify sensors and cameras function properly. Getting the Tesla app and account sorted makes daily driving easier. Download the app, sign in, and add your car using the VIN from the window sticker or purchase documents. Follow prompts to enable phone key pairing, biometrics, and a secure PIN for driving. Allow notifications so you get update, charging, and climate alerts instantly. Keep the app updated to access new features and remote controls. Make the cabin feel like yours by creating a driver profile for seat, steering wheel, mirror positions, and climate presets. Test regenerative braking and steering modes to find the balance you like for smooth city and highway driving. Carefully enable and customize autopilot features, review safety warnings, and practice in low-risk areas before relying on assistance. Regularly check camera and sensor visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.